I haven't seen a fried clam in 20 years.
Yeah.
That they're so expensive for crab.
Right.
You know, I mean, really, you know. But I'm watching Frank Roy, and wow, he had scallops, and I don't know what he ordered.
Yeah, he had all kinds of good stuff in there, right?
Oh my God! Hey, Frank, this is for the Army guys, not your former Navy. You know.
Yeah, yeah.
I kind of ribbed him on that one, you know. But anyway, the food was good. The McGoverns were exquisite, nice people, you know, because I knew them before anyway. And hopefully they're over that Monument Memorial thing, and I'm sure they are. And that's probably just an oversight, which, you know, nothing on them at all, you know, per se, you know, bad judgment maybe on some other people, you know. Chris Marcelino was there, and he had one of the people involved in it on his talk show, and so we kind of cleared that up, you know. But you can see they were thrilled to have you there. Yeah. You know what I mean? Because like I say, the McGoverns are fine people. And the American Legion being there out of Post 314, myself being there from the American Veterans Alliance, and Jim, you know, it was great. It was just great to welcome all you guys and say goodbye to you. Yeah. You know what I mean? They gave you an eagle. Yeah, they did. Oh, that's a shit. That's cheap. I mean, who can't get an eagle like that? They should have gave you a car. A car? Oh, yeah, you're right. Yeah, why did they give me an eagle? They should have given me a car. Yeah, damn. Anyway, I mean, you know. Yeah, you're right. Well, it would be nice to move up a little Toyota and say, Sergeant Razon, this is yours, you know. So you go out there for you. Yeah. Take it to Michigan with you, you know. Because that car. Oh, my God. Yeah. They would buy a Lexus, boy. That'd be it. Yeah, and then they gave me a nice Red Sox jacket. And I said to you, are you a Red Sox fan? Oh, yeah. Are you? Yeah. For some reason, I thought you were a Yankee guy. Get out of here, Roland. I don't know why. Get out of here. Be careful how you say that. Yankee. Oh, I'm not. Yeah, well, hey. You know. Red Sox, Celtics, Patriots. Really? Roland's fan. Oh, yeah. Now, where are you from originally? Here. Oh, you are? Okay. Born in Falmouth. I can graduated from Bourne High School. Yeah? Oh, yeah. Okay. I have a little bit of a southern, you know, for Sergeant Oates here, you know, I don't talk southern at all. For you guys, I'd probably have a little southern accent in there, but
yeah, that's one thing we do down south is we actually pronounce our R's.
Yeah, the R's.
The way they should be pronounced.
Some of them really pronounce them. Yeah. You know, there's no car. Listen, you know the thing I couldn't. You're talking about. He's from North Carolina. I could never understand what's the big deal with this. Grits. What is that anyway?
Grits is just you don't know what grit is? Corn.
No. I mean, I've seen it, but I've never. I can't tell you that I've actually eaten it.
I'll tell you what grits are. Yeah. You know, you take a corn on the cob, right? Yeah. And you shuck all the kernels off. Well, you know the fuzzy stuff that look like it around the cob. Yeah. That shaved off, dried out, and that's your grits. It's good.
There's no taste to that.
I had some for breakfast this morning, matter of fact, with bacon in it.
There's no taste to that, though.
It's great. Yeah. It's an acquired taste.
When I was down in Atlanta, somebody said,
what does rice taste like, though?
You eat taters. I said, what taters?
Taters.
They call it taters.
Taters, yeah.
I said, yeah, we have hash browns and potatoes up there. Yeah. But I've never seen, and I'm not kidding you, I can't remember seeing grits in a mess hall. Have you?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
That's commonplace these days.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. If you want SOS, you're still into chip beef? Oh, that's a plate with. You got to go to the Ponderosa on Route 6 in Swansea.
Is that a great restaurant?
Open? Yes, it is.
Oh, is it really?
And they got a great breakfast there. I got to tell you, it's second to none. Really? And they have chip beef SOS. That's why I go there. I like it. You know, yeah. It's really great. You know. Yeah. But I had to ask him that. You know about that. I couldn't see what them rebels. Oh, excuse me. I didn't. I'm a rebel. You know.
That's all right.
I couldn't see what they saw in grits. You know, because I tried it one time. I'm being honest with you. And to me, there was no taste to it.
Well, there's no taste to rice.
So somebody
That's
said,
why you put all this.
You're gonna put butter on it and all that. No, I ate it plain.
It's not so good.
Yeah. No, I know it, you know.
Yeah. Well,
but Southern fried chicken and stuff like that.
Oh, I love Southern fried chicken.
You know, I can say the same thing coming up here, going out to eat. No one up here had served, you know, sweet tea or iced tea. It's hot. And I had met some folks, you know, and they offered me some tea. I'm thinking I'm going to get a glass of iced tea like I'm used to. Yeah. And it come in steaming hot in a coffee cup. I'm like, the coffee cups are made for coffee. You know, so I took it, and it was really nice. And thanks, but no thanks.
McDonald's has
I don't get it.
Yes. That's about it.
Yes. Yeah. Tea's very good for you, as a matter of fact.
Rest of the places around, and no tea.
But anyway, you like it up here anyway, you know.
It takes some getting used to.
I liked what I remember of North Carolina. I liked it down here also. Yeah. It takes you.
It takes some getting used to.
Wait a minute. Used to.
The weather.
Oh my God. Oh,
the weather. I haven't seen this much weather snow since I was in Germany. was like, wow, this is crazy. I love it when it's hot.
You will see it in Germany too, I'll tell you. You ever notice though that the thing is people panic? The weathermen have got them under their control. Oh, you know, I mean, and this guy on Channel 12, what a character he is. You know, and he scares the hell out of everybody. Yeah. He's got them running to the Stop and Shop, buying stuff they don't need. Half of it going to go in the trash. You know what I mean? Oh, big storm coming to Ohio. I mean, if you look at the weather people, we could do a story on that, you know. But if you look at them, I mean, I could care less that the wind's blowing 40 miles an hour off the coast of Africa. You know, I live over in Swansea, you know. Yeah.
Could you imagine, Roland, if the meteorologist got up there and they said, okay, tomorrow the stimulus package will pass. Oh, everybody would be out there. Interest rates are going to drop. Housing prices are going to, stabilize, and the economy is going to be great. Could you imagine if they did that? Everybody would be out there. Life would be great. Oh. Yeah, they say we're going to get a half an inch of snow. Everybody's in panic. Hey,
well, that's wishful thinking. Yeah. That's I'll tell you, that's wishful thinking.
Yeah.
Let me tell you. Yeah. The difference between the Depression, which I think we're in and heading for, my opinion, after things that I see, is that in 1929 people were law-abiding. They would stand in line with their bags waiting to get some food. Yeah. Not today, brother. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? I can see a run on a Stop and Shop, you know, or either that or you chew bubble gum for supper, one or the other, you know? Yeah. But again, just getting back to Sergeant Oates, welcome to the area, and we'll be seeing more of you. Oh, yeah. And get that message out there to a lot of the young people, because I'm a firm believer in it, you know, and it's a great opportunity. I mean, and we discussed that yesterday. We were talking about that. Everyone can't join the service. No. If you think it's easy getting in, you try it. Yeah. And see what you're up against. I mean, it's easy to get a job in a factory if you can find one.
Right. The Army now says, Roland, believe it or not, the Army now says, and everybody gets all worked up. I had a kid call me the other day. The guy had 89 charges. 89 charges, Roland. He wants to argue with me that he read that the Army is taking felons. Well, that is true. That is true. Yeah. In the state of Massachusetts, if you get charged with stealing $2,000 or more, and what's $2,000 now? You know, I mean, cell phones are already $500. You steal a flat screen TV, it's $2,000. Well, that's larceny. Okay? Yeah. For us, our regulation says larceny over $500. It's a felony charge, Roland.
Yeah. Well,
so that kid is a felon again, and he stole a TV.
Well, you know, hey, the two ladies are all getting divorced who spearheaded getting married in the state of Mass. You know what I'm talking about. Yeah. I mean, so, you know, you're in Massachusetts, you know. But listen, we got to leave. We got to go.
We got to go? Okay, let's talk about, you know, Kyle.
I want to wish you the what?
Kyle Harrington.
Please do.
Kyle Harrington's a graduate out of, you know, Case High School where we do this filming. I know, tragically, he passed away in Iraq a little bit over a week ago, accidentally. You know, like you said earlier, I want to say, you know, our thoughts and prayers to them. It's never good to, you know, see a soldier, you know, pass away. But it's going to be Saturday, this Saturday, and God bless to him and his soldiers.
Well, it's nice to see you. Sergeant Razon,
I appreciate it. All your help.
You stay in touch with us, you're a
real American.
Thank you. Thank you. A lot of people won't agree with you. Welcome aboard.
I appreciate it.
We'll be seeing you, Sergeant Oates. I still think he's related to Warren Oates and some of them. Yeah, the lineage will do that. You got to check it out.
I'll research it.
You know? And with that, we're going to be saying bye-bye for now, and we'll see you next week with another show, and hope you enjoyed this one. We're going to miss this guy. But it looks like we got a winner here with Sergeant Oates, so we'll be okay. Oh, yeah. And if anybody wants to talk to any, well, not him, he'll be in Michigan. They're going to want to be standing in line to talk to you, you know. Sergeant Oates' office is over in the Harbor Mall, so stop by. And listen, if nothing else, stop by and get a trinket. Every time I go down there, I get a hat, I get a pen. You know, I mean, I love it. I love
trinket key.
Stop down Harbor Mall, and, you know, you got to be kidding. I enjoy every bit of it, you know. So you're going to be okay, and you're going to be cold.
Cold.
All right? Well, where do you think you're going?
Oh, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? When that wind comes blowing up, like comes from Canada, by the way. Yep.
You
know, the weather is tough. Yep. I know that for a fact. You know, and you asked me about